Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been such a long time. Apologies. মই বহুত বেছি busy আছিলোঁ. As some of you must be aware that মোৰ final semester চলি আছিলে. So মোৰ বহুত বেছি assignments, thesis or pressure পৰি আছিলে. So মোৰ video যদিও কিবা কিবি কৰি আছোঁ, videos বনাবলৈ অকণো সময় পোৱা নাই. And finally মোৰ assignment finish হৈ পেলাই I went to this amazing theme park. So ভাবিলোঁ সৰু সুৰা ভিডিঅ' এটাকে বনাওঁ আপোনালোকক দেখাওঁ and if you like this video make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And those of you who are new to my channel, thank you so much. I've been observing there are a lot of new subscribers and I'm really grateful. And from now on মই constantly videos বনাম because my exams over and I'm just waiting for my graduation. So সেইকাৰণে stay tuned and I promise that I'll be regular from now on. And video to start karo bolok. So this is the entrance to the movie world and it Warner Brothers themed hoy. I'm with my friends Danny and Shreya and let's see ki hoy gute to roller coaster bilak dekhi bhoyo lagise and we are super excited as well. So the first thing that clicks your eye are definitely the roller coasters when you enter, and as you move further you will find that it's like a replication of those typical American Batman, Superman / DC comic universe towns, you know, and sub American retro theme hoy, even the music playing around, the cafes, the diners, everything has a very retro American vibe to it. And this just like ine ghuri furiu bhal lagibo, you know Marilyn Monroe dekhibo kobat and it's just great. And it's like you've been pushed into your childhood world, childhood fantasy world where all your superheroes and cartoons come alive. So all the rides here are named after a particular famous DC comic character. As you'll see, this one is the Green Lantern roller coaster and beside it is the Joker one. Then here it's the Superman roller coaster and the one here that you see like a vertical thing, whatever it is, it's the Batwing apparently, which just shoots you right across like up to the top of the tower and gives you a giant drop and The first ride that we tried was this is the Green Lantern roller coaster. Honestly, it looked comparatively easy to start with, but well, you'll see how we got terrified because this literally makes you upside down and also turns you around in different ways, sideways, backwards, and just curves the entire, as you can see, the carriage just moves along and turns around in different ways, so it was really very scary. especially এইটো পইণ্টতটো মোৰ অৱস্থা বেয়া হৈ গৈছিলে মই ইমান চিঞৰিলোঁ আৱাজটো চাগে শুনাই পাইছে I don't know but yeah it was definitely not what I expected and definitely difficult than what I thought it would be. And then we went to the Scooby-Doo ride. When you enter, it looks like somewhat of a ghost ride, right? Which takes you to like those underground caves and kinds of tries to scare you. But thank God I didn't take it so casually and I kept my phone properly away because this was a scary roller coaster and oh my God, I was in utter shock because it looked like a small room but inside of it was a big roller coaster and wow, hetu roller coaster e ulalage. And so as to absorb the shock that we got from the Scooby-Doo ride, we thought that we need to explore more and we found this Wild West Falls which is located in an area designed like a Wild West country sort of atmosphere. And the ride we saw there looked very fun and not too dangerous because it didn't have much roller coaster turns, you know, it just splashes into the water and drenches you. But when we entered the roller coaster we realized ki bhitorat aru ups and downs kori meli jai. But it was really fun. Only advice or recommendation from my side is that carry a waterproof or like a jacket or something karan pura titi goisilu although it was really fun. So after back-to-back roller coaster rides we thought to take a breather for real and we found the children's section, the kids section of the movie world which was obviously themed around the Looney Tunes and somehow we got into this train ride which did not require us to be certain height or certain weight so it was kind of funny. After getting spooked by roller coasters we are at kids section now.
After writing 5,000 6,000 word essays this is what you do, UQ advantage.
It's very pretty though.
You know.
There's a lot more to explore in movie world but we decided to do it another day because honestly we were done after getting spooked by the roller coaster rides and exploring the area. So that's it for now. If we go again I will definitely put more information and more reviews of the rides. So till then keep an eye on my YouTube channel because as I said I would be uploading regularly from now on. And that's it for today. So before we end, let me just replay my deadly demonic scream when I went to this Green Lantern roller coaster once more for you guys.